Hi again. This is my new project. I started already. I've taken all my old super soft clay that I wasn't using. I put it all together. You can see it's got like little beads in and everything, and I've mixed them together and they've gone hard already. And I'm going to use these shapes for a body to make something. See, that can be the abdomen, that can be the head, that can be the legs. And what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this as a base, and I'm going to put tin foil on it to make the shape. Here is the tin foil I use, and I'll just have to take a sheet, tear a sheet, and then you crumple it to get to make it nice. It'll work better. Then I'll take the body and I'll wrap it in the tin foil, like so. Tear it off, and then maybe the air dry clay will stick better to it. And then I add a leg. Somehow. Okay, we do it this way. I'm sort of experimenting to see if it'll work, but that's how I'm planning to do it. I've put more tin foil on the super soft clay base. As you can see, this is the body and it's got the legs. Everything's pinned together. Here's the head. Hopefully you can see the head. I've got a reference here because I forgot how to make the head. It's my cat head from long ago. And I'm still got the back legs and the tail to do. This is what it looks like so far. And I'm going to put this clay on now. Here is the body. I'm going to add some more pieces of this super light clay. And I'm going to put it on the edges, and then I'm going to put tin foil over it, crinkle it again, to make it the body more round. There, I put the tin foil around it, and it's ready for the clay. I've cut a piece of clay. Now I'm going to condition it, which is you need it for quite a while until it's nice and soft and ready to be used. The clay is soft enough, so it doesn't need to be worked that much. And then flatten it with my fingers, because I find it easier with flattening any air dry clay with fingers, because if you roll it, it sticks to the surface. So you flatten it with your fingers. Now you take your body and then you squash it or press it until it's nice and smooth. As you can see over here is all the pieces. I've taken them apart again because I'm going to do it little by little to do all the pieces and then stick them together.